Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, y'all, so today is Saturday and we're gonna clean up. We got some dusting to do. I need to mop underneath the couch. We gotta put some dishes away. I just got back from grocery shopping, so we're gonna do that. Some sweeping and mopping, of course, and we'll see what else we get into. So come on, let's get into it. you guys. So my house is done. Getting ready to start homeschool for the kids. Let me show you what we got going on. I just gotta go get their writing utensils, and then, you know, and they gonna cook, cause I'm not cooking today. I'm tired. I need a rest. I need a rest. So let me show y'all. I didn't do the kitchen floor, but I'm gonna do the kitchen floor. But y'all, I don't know who opened up those cabinets. But as you can see, you guys, we are done. The next cleaning video would be of, you know, cleaning the baseboards. I got some marks on the floor that I need to scrub. And some other things that I wanted to get to. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna do that in the next video. So I'm gonna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shade butter, baby.